Right, so I think I'm directly opposite Pexhill. I think he's at the observatory. Maybe. So there's no trig point up there. I think, what is it, 67 metres the highest point. Whilst Blundells Hill is 78 or something. I'll have to look it up. So yeah, Bexhill's not as high as Blundells Hill, but I think they're the same. But Wood's like 32, and that's got a trig point. Anyway, right, here we go. Right, into the woods. It's looking a bit overgrown at points. Oh dear. Right, someone's put some decking down. That's nice and thoughtful. Oh, right. Spoke too soon, Ian. Overgrown again. Right. It's a bit slippy. Right. Getting through. Right. Yeah. This next bit, you know, follow the tree line round and down past the motorway. M62. So let's get cracking. I'm sat here by this tree, having a pack of crisps, watching the world go by and just enjoying the mostly peace and quiet. Because you've got the M62 right there, so it's not totally quiet. But hey, thinking. I can see like one person like on the main road over there, right on the opposite side of where I am. Oops, I'm looking at the sky. Okay. Ha! Yeah, Mercer's meanderings. I don't want to do more. Okay. Yeah, so I'm sitting there on the coffee thinking, Mercer's Marvellous Creations. Yeah, there you go. There's a good name. Oh, dear. Yeah, I've got no space at home. I really don't. I need a studio or something. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Right. Suppose I better crack on in a bit. Thank you, tree. That was nice. Right. I'm walking, coffee in one hand, hammer in the other. What could go wrong? Yeah. Answers on the postcard, please. Ooh, that's very 80s. 90s as well, maybe. It was before the fax machine. Not that that lasted long. Anyway, let's carry on. This is why I haven't done this in ages. It's so muddy and a bit treacherous. Yeah. Anyway, almost to the corner now. Do you see the big tower at, is it Fiddler's Ferry? Yeah. Is that Fiddler's Ferry? Probably. Nice. Right, we go round. Is that what I think it is? Is that a buzzard? Just gone straight past me. Right behind those trees. And I was pointing the camera the wrong direction. I can't believe that. Didn't make a sound. Yeah. Down there. Yeah, it's gone now. Couldn't believe that. If it was a buzzard. And there wasn't just a pigeon. Yeah, that is definitely overgrown. Go around the edge. Mercer on the edge. There you go, that's another title. That's an album. Dear me, Mr. Mercer, dear me, he says, inspired by, what was it? The Irene Adler episode of Sherlock. Yeah, actually it was. Yeah, it's been years since that's been gone. Might have to do it again. Watch it for the review show. Oh, I've already done that. Yeah, I did it last year. Okay. Never mind that. The top of those stairs looks like a long way up. Come on. Perseverance. Let's go. 3:15. Sunday, 29th October. Heading over the motorway and beyond. Going up to Blundells Hill. Right. Next stage. Watch out for golf balls. I'm heading through the golf course. Wish me luck.